Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor on Monday, the 21st of November, November 21st, 2022. And the World Cup has started. England's playing in the World Cup, and we're very, very excited. They're playing Iran right now. But it's business as usual here, and the markets opened down this morning a little bit, 1.5%, but we've, nearly 2% actually, but we've gained a little bit in the last few minutes. I've got buy orders to try and pick up our discounted stocks, and as yet haven't got any, and I'm hoping that I don't get any, because I keep saying every day that my portfolio has bottomed. It's bottomed. If I can't buy anything lower, then it's technically bottomed, right? That's all that really counts. Has my portfolio bottomed? I've got a diverse portfolio. That would indicate that the markets are bottoming. So far, I very, very rarely now can buy anything. I've got buy orders for every single one of my stocks, the ones that I want to keep anyway. I've got a stock. I've got a order place and I can't buy anything. Trying to buy Tesla at 170. It's very close. Got down to 175. Didn't go in, so it hasn't quite gone lower. Anyway, good morning to everybody over there on TikTok watching the England game. Yes, we will try to pop in and out of it here on the show as well. Of course, England are playing Iran right now. It's the opening match. I just tuned into Martin talking about his bottom. What's going on? Yeah, we did that last week. We're not doing it. We're not doing that anymore. All right, we're not doing that anymore. Okay. So anyway, let's get straight into it. We are starting to pick up a little bit, as you can see. Starting to pick up a little bit. So let's keep our fingers crossed. USA versus Wales today. Yes, indeed. Next Friday, Wales versus England. Wales versus England. How about that? The sky is falling. It's a red day. Oh dear, oh dear. Let's go through our positions. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here live every day up to 10 hours a day. How is everybody on this fine Monday morning? Quick sip of tea. Here we go. All right. Good morning, good morning. Okay, now then, let's get ready to go. Everybody over on TikTok well? Everybody happy? Who cares, stupid soccer? Well, it's not called soccer, actually. It's called football. So there you go. Let's get on with it. Here we go. Vanguard S&P, down but now rising. Virgin Galactic, nice little drop this morning. Did you buy any? Not for me. It's way above my target. My target is $4 now, so way above there to buy any more. We're up 8.6%. 10 hours a day. Yep, I'm in the studio 10 hours a day. I'm in the studio from 6:45 in the morning, 6:30 in the morning. So I've already been in here an hour. I'll be online. Excuse me. My shows are between 2 and 3 hours in the morning, 2 or 3 hours in the evening, and then I'm doing all my edits and I'm doing other videos. Yep, at least 10 hours a day in the studio, every 5 days a week. And then over the weekend, I'm cleaning the studio and preparing and researching for Monday morning and updating systems and stuff like that. So yes. Okay, here we go. Tesla is down 2.53. Trying to buy it at 170. My last buy was at 180. I could buy one at 175. I've got an order for 170. What do you reckon? I said I'm going to stick with it this time. I want to lower that average, and buying one share at a time doesn't do it when you've got 48 shares. 175, or shall I hold out for 170? The devil works hard, but Martin works harder. Yeah, there you go. I like that one. All right. So what do you think? Goal! Have we got a goal, Rob? Rob, update me. Update me, Rob. England denied early penalty in World Cup opener as fans struggle to get in the stadium. England versus Iran. Okay, what is the situation? I'm keeping my eye open for it. Rob, tell me what's going on. Apparently they got the goal denied. Is that right? There we go. Anyway. I had dreamed Tesla would be 172. Let's go England. Yeah, you've no idea. I'm the biggest England fan. I've watched World Cup since I was a kid. I've never missed it. Obviously now I got this commitment to you. This is the very first time. England 1-0. Hey, England 1-0. Brilliant. England 1-0. Thank you very much indeed, Rob Brennan, for bringing that information to me. England are, I think, the fifth in the world, I think. America are like 25. And people goes, you mean Belgium, Church? You mean Belgium, not Bellingham. USA, a really good team. You know, people go, it's like, well, they're 25th in the world. Yeah, but there's like 180 countries, 180 teams. So there's 195 countries. I know, I've been to them. But there's about 180 teams in the world. So, to be 25th, I know America, big country, but they're still very good. Anyway, so Tesla 175 is 525 pre-split. That's an absolute bargain, I reckon. I agree. It's because of Elon Musk right now. That's what's going on with Tesla. The player on BVB. The player on BVB. What does that mean? Yes, allowed. 1-0. Yeah, Rob Brenner's confirmed it. Rob Brenner's confirmed it. If Rob Brennan doesn't confirm it, it ain't a goal. I'm just saying. Okay, very good. Very good. England are off to a start. Okay, we're down 1.5%. We're rising a little bit this morning. We were down as low as 2% this morning. Trying to get a Tesla. I mean, I could buy it at 175 and it would lower my average. My average is now 228. It would. It really would. It would bring it down by another $1, probably 227 if I bought one at 175. But it would bring it down a lot more if I bought it at 170. I think I have to wait, I think I have to wait. It's still a very good average, 228. It's still a very good average. Bellingham plays Dortmund in Germany. Oh, Bellingham plays Dortmund in Germany, who are called. Oh, I see. For some reason, he's only turned 19 and he's one of England's best players already. Oh, okay. I'm with you now. I thought Churchy was misspelling Belgium. Anyway, Bellingham is who's. Oh, Bellingham who's. Bellingham. All right, I'm complete. Right, I take everything back. I thought Churchy. I just naturally assumed he meant Belgium. All right, because he said I love Belgium. Bellingham. How do I know? Anyway, sorry, Churchy. Bellingham plays for Dortmund in Germany. Whatever. Okay. Future City player. Tesla had 321,000 vehicle recalls this year, a total of 19 recalls. Wake up, Martyn. Yeah, what can I say? I don't think Martyn is a football fan. Are you bloody kidding me? Are you kidding me? I am. I'm one of those guys who has the house fully dressed up with England. I have my face painted. I have my shirt, my hat, my flag. Are you kidding me? I've been to Wembley. I've been to Old Trafford. I followed England around the world. Are you kidding me? I watch it everywhere. I had Bellingham's 200 shares in SBC. Now Martyn will pay it. Oh, right. Now I'm paying attention. Bloody hell. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Does Gary Lineker still play? Does Gazza still play for England? Peter Shilton, do they still play for England? I need to just check. All right. Okay, we're trying to rise this morning. We're looking out for it. So let's go to our crypto. Now then, big news on crypto. Big news on crypto. We are losing Bitcoin and all this stuff could really about to cave in. I've been saying it for ages. I can't predict when. I have got orders to buy it when it goes down more, but I tell you what, the miners are now starting to lose money. It's gone down so low. The miners, remember, as we get nearer the 21 million Bitcoin, it gets harder and harder and harder. It takes more electricity, more time to get to or to create or mine the Bitcoin, right? So it's getting more and more expensive, and because Bitcoin is getting less and less valuable, the miners are now at the brink of losing money, which means they'll stop doing it. And then the asset won't go up in value because it won't be as scarce because there'll be unmined Bitcoin. I mean, there we go. So it's not good, is it? Anyway, fun fact: Rob Brennan 1-0. Yes, yeah. Hey, Chris Waddle, Chris Waddle. Now we're talking all that. Now we're talking. Fun fact: Gary Lineker is one of the only players to never get a red card. To never get a red or yellow card. Well, I'll tell you why that was. He always just sat at the goal area. He just sat there, goal hanging. That's why. England! Do you think the pound will strengthen if England beat Iran? I'm going to take that as the joke it was intended, right? Okay, I'm not gonna be sucked into that one, just in case someone goes, come on, Martin, think about it. Right. Just in case. But just in case Rob Brennan does think that's possible, no! It has nothing to do with it. You never know. People have all sorts of ideas. Anyway. There we go, Rob. I see you've got my badge now, the membership badge. Sorry, not the membership badge. What do you call it? The moderator and friends. There you are, me and Rob. We're friends and moderator. Anyway. Okay, let's keep our eye. We've got 45 minutes to go before the bell goes. We are looking really at Tesla this morning to see if we pan out and get some perspective. Look, it's down 52% on the year. It's definitely a buy, and it's why I've been buying it at 180. But let's have a little look here right now. It's beaten earnings every single time and increasing, and next quarter is going to be even better. What's the PE now? The PE now is... I know I'm looking right at it. Why can't I see it? I can't believe I'm looking right at it. Oh, yeah, 55 now. Yeah, I think it was up 89. So the PE, the price to earnings ratio, it's getting cheaper. It's getting cheaper all the time. It's still expensive compared to Ford and other car manufacturers, but it's getting cheaper. It's it's going to hit a point when people are going to buy in. Morning, family. Oh, here he is. Here he is. I've got an announcement to make. About Mark Corn. Right, we've got 20 people in, so we've got most of the family in. Max, I was excited for a Q4 Tesla, but I'm not sure if Elon is taking... No, I'm excited for Q4. I've got an announcement to make about Mark Corn, everybody. Who wants to hear it? No, Tesla's fine. I've got no issue with Tesla, especially at these prices. Right. So before I make my announcement, all right, we do need how many people got watching? We do need 20 likes, right? Okay, 1 minute, 20 likes. Smash the like button, and you ready? Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. 2-0 to England. Get in. Hey! Woohoo! 2-0 to England. This is the place for your news, folks. You don't need to watch it. Just tune into the Day Trader Show, Martyn Lucas the Investor, and you will get the news right here. Right, we've got 30 seconds to go. I need 20 likes, and I've got a big announcement. Yeah, Mark Corn's in trouble. It's about Mark Corn, but you're not going to hear it until I get 20 likes. We're at 14 right now. If I don't get 20 likes, I'm going to save the news. You're not going to get it. Big news. Right, we've got 14 likes. Need another 6 likes on YouTube, and I'll give you the news. Yeah, Mark Corn's in trouble. He's feeling scared. Saka, hey. Now I know who you're talking about. Now, did you mean Salacalafragilistic No, this time you meant Saka the footballer. I'm sorry. All right. Yeah, it's Saka, and I mean Saka. Look, he's gone Saka, and he's also gone exclamation mark as well. All right, okay. So I know exactly what I'm saying this time. Don't try and correct my spelling. All right, do you not know who Saka is? Yeah, I know Saka is. He plays for England. All right, I know who he is. Right, Virgin Orbit is holding up, not going anywhere. What a goal. I think I'm going to start getting the England app. I'm going to get the England app so I can go in and out of the goals. Got to focus on the subject though. Got to be very careful not to deviate from the subject matter on YouTube. Very, very careful. Right. I need 6 likes to announce my news. Right. We're trying to get some Tesla at 170. Mark Korn over the weekend bought some more. I think you saw that in Discord. My last one was 180, which is my all-time low. So I am in the realms of buying a share. It's an all-time low. Yeah, it's an all-time low. That's my rule. I can buy it if it's an all-time low. And it is an all-time low, 176. Never bought 176 before. Will it go lower? I don't know. Yeah, but I haven't got any more money to buy anymore. I know. $20. There, that's where it was. Look, 120. We're back to where we were. See, 175. We were 175. And yeah, 2 years ago. We've gone back 2 years with Tesla. Yeah, we literally 2 years. We've gone back 2 years. So obviously, it's a good deal. If you still think the company's got growth in the future, which I do. So at the end of the day, how cheap do you want to get it? Well, when's everybody going to pile on? Because they will at some point. Everyone does. That's how it works. Right. I'm going to tell you the news because there's 20 of you waiting for the news, and I think it's only right. So 3-0. Hey! 3-0 to England. There we go. It's coming home. England's going to win. Right. Everybody in England now will be going, that's it, Sterling. Now, you've definitely spelt that wrong. It's Sterling. Sorry, bloody hell, you got me going. It's Sterling, not Starling. It's Sterling. So I definitely know you've spelt that wrong. Right? You've definitely spelt that wrong. Right? I just want World Cup final stream. Oh, yeah, absolutely right. I gotta just say, guys, yeah, it's Sterling. Here's Rob putting you right. Sterling. That's a place in Scotland as well. I just want to make the point. I forget what the point was now. What was the point? What was the point I'm going to make? I can't even remember. Doesn't matter. Oh yeah, in England, when we win the first match, everyone, that's it. It's coming home. We're going to win the World Cup. Everyone does it, right? But I want to point out that Iran is not a great team. They're okay, but they're not a great team, right? It's not Germany. It's not Brazil. It's not Italy. It's not Argentina, right? It's not the best team in the world. So we just want to point that out. England should. But mind you, we haven't won in our last 6 games, which is actually okay because we didn't start the World Cup in 1966 very well either, and we went on and won it. So it doesn't matter. It's who wins the final, not who wins the groups or anything else. We're going to win the World Cup. See, it's already begun. Right, we need to get back to business, right? We need to get back to business, and that is we now offer a new service. If you are a bronze member 2.0, now only one of you here is a bronze member 2.0. Everybody else is a regular bronze member. If you are a bronze member 2.0, you have exclusive benefits and perks that nobody else has. So if you need to be bronze 2.0. So Mark Korn is our very first bronze member 2.0. And last night he actually got his super benefits, super perks that only bronze members 2.0 get. So it was 4:45 in the morning, or was it 3:45 in the morning? Either 3:45 or 4:45 in the morning. And Mark Korn, as a 2.0 bronze member, so they get extra benefits, requested, bearing in mind that England was waking up, but America, it was 3:45 or 4:45 in the morning. I can't remember what time it was. And he requested what was the current price of Tesla via a personal Facebook message. And within 30 seconds, at 3:45, 4:45 in the morning, I answered it and gave him the actual price of Tesla there and then. That you don't get that service. You don't get that service anywhere. You don't get that service with anyone. That is bronze membership 2.0. It's a new perk. It's a new benefit. Ask me about it. All right, Mark Corn's got it. So at 3:45, 4:45 in the morning, whatever time it was, he wanted to know what the price of Tesla was, and I gave it to him. All right, so there you go. Tesla is 175. Wow, I know. Quicker to Google it. It wasn't quicker to Google it. It was instant. He messaged me. He had it back within 10 seconds. Right. Does anybody want to sign up for Bronze 2.0? It was quicker just to ask Martin. Yeah, see? People, I am the new Google. You don't need Google. You don't need anything. You don't need Squawk Box. You don't need CNN. You don't need Fox. You don't need Bloomberg. You don't need CNBC. You don't need Jim Cramer. You don't need anyone. You don't even need your iPhone. You don't need Google. All you need is Martyn Lucas. That's all you need. It is exclusive, though, to 2.0 bronze members, though. It's not exclusive to anybody else. And in case anybody's confused about everything, so I can just clarify, I was actually up, just going to the toilet, and when I go to the toilet, I look at my phone, and I just check what's going on, because 2 o'clock in the morning is when the prices update for me, just so I get an idea of what's going on in the morning. And it just happened that Mark messaged me at that moment, and then he apologised. Oh, I didn't mean to wake you up. He didn't wake me up. My phone's on silence. Makes no difference what time you messaged me. My phone was on silence. I just noticed it, but I replied because it was a family member, right? It was a family member. I replied. I wouldn't have replied if it was some other scallywag who wasn't actually a member. It was a member. So I thought, right, I'm on it. I'm providing this service here. So anyway, that's exactly what happened. I'm sure Leah was delighted. She didn't know she was asleep. I'm sure Leah was delighted by that. Yeah. She was asleep, Rob McLean, get out of it. Anyway, SHS possible snipe. SHC. Ed Nevius, you can't just come in talking about SHC. We're talking about England. We're talking about Bronze Members 2.0. We're talking about waking up, Leah. You're missing the point. You're missing what's going on here. I mean, I was looking to upgrade the button until you talked me out of it. I was looking for the upgrade button until you taught me out of it. Where was the upgrade button? Where's the upgrade button to Bronze 2.0? I want to be able to call Martin at 4 o'clock in the morning. Martin, you should consider setting up your own version of Ask Jeeves. What I do, it's called Martyn Lucas Investor. What do you think this is? What do you think? I've already got it. This is it. You ask me questions, I give you answers, right? I thought that was quite funny when Rob says, Mark, do you not have Google? I mean, you know, I thought the doctor checked that because you were up going to the bathroom. It was a healthy go to the bathroom. It wasn't a problem. It was just, you know, middle of the night, I'd like to go for a pee. Bloody hell, I don't have to discuss my private details with you. If I want to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and go for a bloody pee, I'll go for a bloody pee, all right? Oh, Martin, for your information, useful for giveaways. You can click the 3 dots next to top chat. Martin, useful for giveaways. You can click the 3 dots next to top chat and see a list. That's participants. Yeah, but that only shows people who have commented, doesn't it? It only shows you people who have commented, not in the stream. Let me have a look. Toggle timestamps. What does that mean? Oh, toggle timestamps. What does that mean? Oh, I see. I can turn timestamps on when people actually commented. I don't see the point of that though. I can go manage moderators. I didn't know this. This is information. Thank you for this. Ignore me. Send feedback. Participants. Yeah, it means you've commented. Mind you though, all I've got to do is say, if you want to be in the competition, you just need to comment. And then that way I've got everybody who's commented. If you've not commented, you wouldn't be there. And obviously you'd comment. So, no, it can still work, Shad. It can still work. It just needed me to refine it. You came along with the basic idea, all right? The basic idea that anyone can come up with. But it needed me, a professional, to just tweak it and make it work. Now I'm making it work. You came up with the bare ingredients. So it's like basically you went to the shops, bought the faggots and the mashed potato, and I turned it into a master recipe, into a masterpiece. All right, that's basically what happened. It's like you going down to the supermarket and buying a lot of paint. I apply the brush and I paint the picture. That's the difference. Just something to help waste the time when people are not here. Yeah, well, there are people here. Have a bit of respect, Shad. Have a bit of respect for the 24 people that are here. Have a bit of respect, Shad. England are winning the World Cup. We're losing all our money. Have a bit of respect. Just something to help waste the time when people are not here. Eh? Does everybody feel like nobody? Shad said there's nobody here. Nobody here. None of you 23 people that are tuned in right now count. According to Shad, you're not important. There's not enough of you to count. Apparently, doesn't matter about the individual person. No, according to Shad, no one counts. On that note, I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Don't go away. Pump the brakes, Martin. Pump the brakes. Pump the bloody brakes. Hello, ETORO. Jamie's ghost of Christmas past. I love it. All right, okay. We're still down. We're dropping back again. That Tesla situation isn't getting any better. It's just hovering around 175. No one buying it in yet. Zach, good morning, Zach. Did you see your wonderful... Oh, by the way, we're having words. Basically, we're having words. We had a poll in our chat saying 14 of you would leave a comment because Ali Tisro sponsored the newsletter on behalf of Zach. And all you had to do if you wasn't able to donate was to leave a comment. And me and Zach and Ali, 3 out of 14 have done it. Where is the rest of you? You've let me down. You just sign in with Google. Google is what you sign in to do YouTube. So every one of my YouTubers has Google. You can't be on YouTube and you can't sign in and you can't comment if you're not in Google. So just click on the newsletter, go to Ali Tisro's blog and leave a comment. You said you would. You pledged. So that means you've got to do it. And only 3. Me, Ali and Zach. That's rubbish. It was obvious I was going to do it. It was obvious Ali was going to do it. And it was obvious Zach. Someone came back and says, I can't log in on Google. Well, of course you bloody can. You log into Google to be on YouTube. So sort it out. Open the newsletter, click on it, and take part. Otherwise, there's going to be hell up. Right. England will score 2 more goals, apparently. Good morning, ETORO. Good morning to you. We're trying to buy some more. I'm here. LOL, multitasking. I feel belittled. Yes. Rob Brennan feels belittled. He feels belittled. Does anybody else feel belittled? Dexter Sickles, he wasn't even here, so he can't feel belittled. He doesn't even know what we're talking about. He's arrived late. Yes, I couldn't comment. You couldn't comment. Well, just click sign in then. Just click sign in. It's not hard, is it? Martin, did you set up a wish list on Amazon for Christmas? I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it. Yes, I saw the newsletter and I commented. Thank you so much. Yeah, you did. Wouldn't let me log in either. You just got to use your Google. It's not hard. Half time. Nobody cares about stocks today. It's all about USA and England football. Yeah, USA and England. I know. When is England? Blah blah blah. America are playing Wales. What time's that? What time is America playing Wales? America should win that game, actually. Wales have the second best player in the world, Gareth Bale. Log in who? Log in who? Use your Google to log in to leave a comment on Ali Tisrow's blog. It's in the newsletter. 4 p.m, I think. What, 4 p.m. your time? That's 10 o'clock our time then, is it? Yeah. How do you interpret the markets today? Basically, I think we're starting to bottom. We're going sideways, all right? I'm very rarely now being able to buy any stocks. I think my portfolio is just about bottomed, all right? I'm not able to. I've not been able to buy the S&P 500 now for weeks. That tells you we've probably bottomed. You know when everyone says to you 6 months from now that was the bottom. I'm looking at my portfolio and I'm telling you because I keep setting lower orders. If I can't buy them, that means I bottom, right? It makes sense. And if I go to my portfolio, look, we're down today. Okay, doesn't look good. We're down on the week. Okay, doesn't look good. But look, the month. That's the first time I've been up on the month for ages, for like 6 months. And I'm up 9% on the month. That tells you maybe we've bottomed. Maybe my portfolio has bottomed. Remember, everyone's portfolio is different. But, you know, a big part of my portfolio is the S&P 500. And I last bought a low on October 13th. Look at that. October the 30th, 321. That was my lowest price. October the 13th, 321. That's over a month ago. Look, and I'm up 1.38. I can't buy on a low. So, it hasn't hit that low for over a month, nearly 6 weeks. So, that tells me, look, the S&P 500 is up 7% on the month. Over 4 weeks, it's up 7%. See? So, I think the markets are okay. And remember what I've been saying since the very, very beginning. I've overinvested. I've done everything over and over again. Started here with this many shares at this price. I've now got this many shares at this price. So, it's primed for the future growth. So, I'm just holding on everything. Anyway. We're coming up to just gone past 8 o'clock now. Half an hour to go. England are winning the World Cup. We're obviously going to win. Raymond Reddington. A lot of people say that. Someone on TikTok's saying Raymond Reddington. Raymond Reddington. We're live on YouTube if you want to be in our live show. Cash prize giveaway every single week. And click the star if you want to be a subscriber and get exclusive benefits. All right. Wasn't it up on the month in July as well? Depends what time you measure it. But yeah. I respect how patient and disciplined you are with not buying stocks on the way up, Martyn. Very hard not to get sucked in. I don't find it hard to get sucked in at all. I did when I started. Now I find it easy because it's just obvious to me. I want to buy quality stocks at the lowest price that I've ever paid. And if you stick to that principle, you can't go wrong, can you? I pledged but haven't. There you go. Queen of logic, Queen of braiding of church. Right, she said she's pledged. I pledged, but I haven't done it either. See? Will do anytime. Yeah, click on the newsletter, open it, click on it, sign in with Google. Everyone here can and do it. So what I wanted to say was, people will say the overall markets haven't bottomed yet. My portfolio might have. Right? Because remember, my portfolio is unique to me, right? It's the only one like it, obviously. So I might have Tesla going down, which has lost me $4,000, by the way. I was 2 up, now I'm 2.5 down. So I'm $4,000 out of the money. But Virgin Galactic have made me some money. Things have outweighed itself, and the high-risk stocks have been swapped with the staples like J&J, which is up 4%, which is Coca-Cola up 3%, and McDonald's, they've balanced me out. And that's what it's all about. A balanced portfolio is what it's all about. So, I don't know. You're missing the football. I know I'm missing the football. We're gonna put that right soon. We're going to put that right. We're going to rename the show again in like, 3 name changes in a month. We're now going to be breaking the Church of Logic. Large rate. I love it. Hang on, we need a sound effect for that. We need a sound effect. What sound effect can we have? Breaking news. There you go, that'll do. Breaking news. Church of Logic has got breaking news. Right, large rail union, Smart TD, votes to reject Labour deal as national strike moves closer. That isn't good for anything. National strike moves closer. That isn't good at all. But of course, the strike happening and getting closer are very, very different. That's the negotiating game. That's how it works, all right? We shall see how it all pans out. Anyway, you see Virgin Money. Virgin Money is up 14%, is it? Virgin Money alongside Virgin Galactic. Nice. So there should be some... some more difference. Yes, ETORO. Yes, you're right. Disney shares rise after larger replaces Chapek as CEO. That is a good move. Disney has been oversold. Disney's a good buy. Let's have a quick look. And in fact, I don't need to look at it because I'm not buying anyway today anyway. Would you look at GRND? Yes, Rob, you've asked me to, so now I've got to. It's kind of the rules, isn't it? It's the rules, isn't it? Right, let's have a little look. It's the rules. I've got to do it. Someone asks for it. I've got to do it. GRND. Let's have a little look. Now we're over here. We might have to look at Churchy as well. GRND. GRND operates social media platform. Oh, Grindr. I had no idea that Grindr had a public company. Oh my God. This is like the gay version of Tinder. Oh my God, I had no idea. Look at this. GRND. I had no idea. Grindr operates a social media application for gay, bi, trans... Right, okay. So there we go. I wouldn't buy shares in this because I'm not... It's just not... That doesn't... Bloody hell, look at that. It's up 218%. When did that happen? When did that happen? November, a couple of days ago. My gosh. Oh, hang on. November 18th, 2 days ago. Beginning of the World Cup. Because all the attention it's getting. Is that what it's all about? I can't invest in that. I'm sorry, I can't invest in that. I don't think that's a good investment. That's a political statement. That's a moral statement. The World Cup started. I mean, does it make any money? This company, it's going along at $11 and then suddenly goes boom to 63. Why can't I get this lucky? Europe's anyway. I don't see that as investments. Anyone see that as an investment? Thought it was rules only if they are members. Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan was a member. You're absolutely right, Dave. It is reserved to members. And if you remember that Rob Brennan has been a member for the longest time. He's our biggest supporter. He supported our charity events. He gave everyone memberships. He did lots of wonderful things. Unfortunately, if you remember, he lost all his money in the Virgin Galactic situation when he got margin called, and he said to me that I want to be a member again, but I'm not in a financial position. And I said, I will support you. I won't just throw you away straight away because that's not what we do, right? He's had a really hard time. I had a sponsor like that as well who sponsored, $99 sponsor, sponsored for ages, and the business suffered, but I didn't take him off the sponsorship platform, straight away. And in fact, I think he's still there. But so I don't just remove people the moment things go wrong. It's very tough. We lose money. I think you need to help people. So it is a members only perk, but I'm not going to delete someone on day one. We don't do that. But anyway. Let's have a look. Europe's nuclear power plant as a lucky escape after shelling. Breaking news from Churchy. Here we go. Why can't I get this lucky? It's a rainbow lottery ticket, says Rob Brennan. Yes, it is. What do you think today? England not wearing the armband. They were going to support LGBTQ, whatever. Sorry, I always get that name wrong. LGBTQ, and they said no, we can't, because if we do, we're going to get yellow cards. And I mean, at the end of the day, the way I see it is this: you are entitled to your opinions and beliefs and so on, but England are there to play football, right? And if England end up losing the World Cup because they broke the rules because they wanted to protest against something, then all the England supporters, including me, would be very upset. So it's right to have an opinion, it's right to have a belief, it's right to support causes and so on. But if it means that you're going to get you're going to lose the competition that you've entered to do it, I'm not so sure that's the time and place. What does everyone think about that? We are very frustrated. World Cup teams in Qatar armbands after FIFA threat. Yes, they removed them. Basically, he's royalty. Yes, he is. He is family. That's right. Yes, family. Here we go. Mike, yes, family. There you go, Rob. Everyone has supported you. Backed me up what I just said. There you go. That's what the deal is there. Okay, just 20 minutes to go now before the bell goes. Where are we going to go? I'm holding and I'm looking for better deals. Family, says Church of Logic. There we go. Everybody is saying family. Rob Brennan loves it. There you go. Absolutely right. And one day Rob Brennan will be back on top again and he'll be a member again. All right, no problem at all. But right now he needs our help and support. And I only wish that he was able to get back into Virgin Galactic, the thing that lost him his money, because now we're on the way up. Anyway, let's have a look at this right now. We're looking for Tesla. Tesla 175. It's going sideways. What do you think? Should I buy one at 175? Should I buy one at 175? What do you think? Could it go lower? I can't keep nibbling away. I mean, that's what happens. You need discipline. I've got it set at 170. I bought several shares now at 180. Look, I bought, let me have a look. How many shares have I bought at the 180 or just about? Let's have a closer look. Let's look in. Just let that screen refresh a minute. Come on. What's going on? That's stuck there. Let's try that again. I bought several shares at 180, 181. They don't buy, then it's set lower, says Mike. We just don't know. We don't know if it's going to go lower. Nobody does. But let's have a little look. Don't know why everything's loading so slowly this morning. I've never seen this before. Anyway, especially on a Monday morning after I reset all the systems. That's very peculiar. Look at that. That's just stuck. I've never seen that happen before. Anyway, we'll come back to it. Right. We're going down again, 1.95. Buy. It's a fair whack below your average, to be fair. It is. But you've got to have discipline on it because it can go lower. And that doesn't mean we'll just keep waiting for it to go lower. Going to get Canoe and Ion Q today. Let me have a look. Right, okay, look. So I bought, 201 a while ago. When was that? 201. One share at 201. You're right. 182, 181, 181, 180. I bought 4 shares around the 180. Rules are rules, though. Ed's saying rules are rules. It's a fair whack. But Ed, I think you're behind the stream. I think you're behind the stream, I think you're behind the stream, aren't you? You're reacting to a comment which happened like 10 minutes ago. So I think you're behind the stream. Anyway, We'll come back to that in a minute. Let's go for all our shares now, just before we go to a quick commercial break. The S&P is down 0.35. Virgin Galactic is down 0.94. Virgin Orbit is flat right now, getting ready for the flight. Not confirmed date yet. I'm still looking for it. Tesla, here we go. Let's go back to it again. Here we go. Tesla is down 2.52. It is below my average at 228. You're absolutely right. But you can overspend and overstretch. And I know you can trim off on the top on the way up, knowing that you're going to trim. That's another way of looking at it. If you buy too much in one stock, the moment it starts to rise, if you keep buying lower, then yes, you can trim very quickly because you'll have plenty. It's like why I've got so much SPCE. I want to trim there as well. So let's go through. We've got Rivian is down 1.29. Lucid is down 1.26. Arrival, lottery ticket. Amazon down 0.85. I've got buy orders all in place, guys, and nothing's buying. So there's no point just getting excited and ignoring my structure. McDonald's is up 0.2. That's because the high risk money is coming into the safe stocks again. You can see it. That's what happens. People are selling out of Tesla and buying Coca-Cola. They're buying McDonald's and then buying J&J. It happens every day. I see it all the time. When the markets go down, these go up all the time. Every time. It's like my little hedge, isn't it? Google is down 0.8. Microsoft is flat today, going up. Meta is going up, even though it's down. SoFi is down 0.3. I'm down 12% now. I've been low on my averages. I was down 25, 30%. I mean, if you said you will only buy... Oh, I see. Oh, thank you. Ed Nevius was talking about rules as in setting your own buying principles. I thought you were referring to Rob. I'm glad about that. That's good. I mean, that is a rule that you made. Yes, it is. We all have our own ways of investing. IonQ today is up. That's good. I'm down 5%. That's all. I've improved my position. PayPal, I'm out of it. Rolls-Royce, I'm out of it. Let's get rid of those two. Walmart is up 22% now. A little dip today, but that's okay. 3-0. 3-0 the Lions. You mean England? The Lions is the rugby. Anyway, thank you, Hippocrates. Hippocrates. That sounds like a nice Greek name to me. How are you today? Welcome to our family. Welcome to the show. You're very, very welcome here. We've got just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. So we're getting very, very excited now. Not that long to go. Just under 15 minutes. Great. And you? Wonderful. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for being here. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. AMC, your thoughts. I wouldn't buy it right now. I've got other things I'm invested in that I think can make more money and are more secure than AMC. Good job. I'm watching it. Spoiler. Spoiler. No, we already knew, Andrew. It's okay. Oh boy, Harry MC is out of here. Harry MC. United fans understand. What's going on? Okay, United fans understand. I'm confused what we're talking about. Tesco is up 1.74. I'm finally about to make some money with Tesco. Canoe down 47%. Very, 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 very small position. I did buy some more the other day. I think I doubled my position. But I'm not going to buy any more. Harry Maguire. Thank you, Churchy. On. Tilray Brands down 0.78. Ginkgo Bioworks, I'm out of it. Enphase Energy is down but moving up today. BSV is up 0.1. Bitcoin is flat. Ethereum is getting very, very low now. Not cheap enough. To be honest with you, I'm losing faith. Not faith really, I wouldn't call it faith, but I'm losing interest in my crypto. I think there's better opportunities in companies. So I think it's worth owning some when it gets ridiculously cheap. I'm continuing my strategy. But if you're going to buy some, just stick to one. I don't think there's any point If Bitcoin goes to zero, everything else goes to zero. You know what I mean? If I don't know, I think, are you in the camp where you think, well, Ethereum's going to go up to $1 million, but Bitcoin's going to go zero? I don't think so. I think bad, scammy coins will go to zero. Yeah. Rip-off companies and exchanges will go to zero. But I think all of the the main ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, if one goes down, they'd all go down, right? Right, let's have a look. We've got a comment here from Michael Lee, who's a guest to the show. I just subscribed to the newsletter. What do you think of HLN? It's the consumer health division of JSK, with brands of like Advil, Tums, etc. What do you think of HLN? I don't have any knowledge of it. What I can do though, Michael, it's thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. Did you verify it? Did you get the email to verify it? If it went in your junk folder, check it. It's the day trader at martynlucas.com. Make sure that you've actually checked the email. The email is in the about section of our channel, and verified the email. Otherwise, you won't receive it on Sunday. But we have a membership plan here, and there are many perks. One of those perks being I can review a stock. You did verify it. Good. I can review a stock, make a video on it for you and everything. Here's the invitation to join. You will notice everyone's got a badge after their name. We have a higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast. We have 95% of our live viewers are members, and they do it for a reason, because they get back 20 times what they put in. I've built a membership plan to benefit you. Trust me, click on it, and I promise you, you're going to love it. You can always cancel it, and I will show you straight away, literally live on the show, all the perks and benefits that you get, and you will love it, okay? So there you go. Click on that and see. And I more than happily, one of the perks is review a stock and make a video on it. Anyway, we've got just 9 minutes to go. We're trying to buy Tesla at 170. It's going sideways. Thoughts on Prevention Bio after their type 1 diabetic drug license? What's the ticker, Andrew? You remember, we can review the stock for you. What is the ticker for that? Give me the ticker and I'll take a look. We've got 8 minutes to go. I'm trying to buy Tesla. I've not been able to buy anything now. I think my portfolio has bottomed, and we will know if it's bottomed, because if I can't buy anything for another week, we know it's bottomed, because that would be very unusual. PRVB. All right, let's have a little look at it for you. PRVB. Let's load a duplicate screen for you, and we'll have a quick look for you. All right. Let's have a little look. PRVB. This is a review for Andrew. PRVB. Let's get some thoughts. If any of our members want to run a poll or ask a question, you can. Right. Let's go. Let's pan out. First thing to do is pan out. Okay. We got time. It IPO'd here July the 24th, 2018. So it's not an old company. It's been around about 4 years. Opened at $8. Did a typical what IPOs do, initial public offerings. They used to pop, but they don't anymore. Recently, statistically, they tend to lose. They might have a pop and then sell off, like Rivian. But generally speaking, they reset down here about 2 or 3 months later. So that's typical. So that did that. Then it got some news, obviously, on June 7th. It popped up. And like any biopharmaceutical company, it's very volatile until they get the breakthrough discovery. During the exploratory stages, they up and down on news. For these, you should always buy the rumor, sell the news. Right now, though, it's not at a particularly low point. It's Prevention of Bio Incorporated is a clinical-based biopharmaceutical company which engages in development and commercialization of novel therapeutics and solutions. Its products include PRV031 for the interception of type 1 diabetes. Right. Okay, so we're looking at the competition. Does anybody else do this? Is anybody else closer to a breakthrough? Let's have a look at it. Average volume is 2.7. The volume at the moment today is 134. Well, we haven't rung the bell yet, so that's expected. So it's okay volume. It's not low, but it's not high either. It's quite small. It's a small company, $703 million market cap. The high today, 31. 52-week low is 966. 52-week high is 966, okay. 52-week low, 319. Now, anything like this is extremely volatile, and I'm looking at that chart. This is only a very basic chart, looking at it, and if I was going to buy this, I would want to research the company further, find out that the product that they've got, is it close to being approved? Has it been approved? Is there customers for it, and so on and so forth yet to take it? Is anybody else doing it? But I would also want to know what happened to pump these here and then sell off. And because it's a biopharmaceutical company, because it trends on news, I would want to buy it. I would be setting a price for around the $4, and I would have discipline at that. I would set it at $4.35, somewhere around this region here. And then if I got it and it dropped down, let's say I'd allocated $100 for this company, and I bought it at $4.30, something like that. I'd buy half of my allocation at that price. I would then leave the other 50% of my allocation, and I would set a buy order to buy it at like $3.80 or something like that, and like 10% cheaper or 5% cheaper, and I would try and nudge it down. That's what I would do. I wouldn't short it. I don't do shorts or contracts anyway, but that's how I would play a stock like this. I've never been successful with biopharmaceutical companies. It's very much a lottery ticket. You have to buy it at the right time, it breakthrough news, and then sell it. It's very, very hard to know where this company's going. It's got to jump through so many hoops to make money and have longevity. So for me, if I was going to buy that, and I'm not really into this kind of stock anyway, I would buy it. I would set a buy order around $4.30 and only half my allocation. And then as soon as it went through, I would set a buy order for 5% discount, try and get it cheaper, lower my average, and that's how I would play that. And then if I got a 30% pop, I would sell it and take the money. That is how I would play that. I hope that's some help to you. Just very, very limited amount of research on it. But anyway, thanks for the review. I'll ponder a buy around $4.30. I mean, yeah, that's what I would do. I mean, go into the chart in more detail and find, all the support and the trends and everything. But that's not my style of trading. Ed Nevius, on the other hand, could present you with a chart at his target points, his buy targets and so on. And you could look at it with him, and he shares that on Discord. So maybe Ed might want to do that. I don't know. But anyway, look, we're getting a bit of a pop this morning. Let's go back. We've got 2 minutes to go now. Get ready for the clock. Can we get Tesla? Lightning rounds around the corner. Let's get ready to go. Just long call it, says Church. That's the options trading. I'm not an options trader. Don't like options trading. I'm not saying I'll never do it. But I'm not options trading now. Okay? Yes, I can. Here you go. Andrew Grady. You've got Ed Nevius, a technical trader, and does analysts on chart reading and all that great stuff. He will do it if you ask him. If you say, yeah, I'd like you to do that, he will do it for you, present you with a chart. It's on Discord. You can, as a member, you can access that. I hope you've upgraded your account, or you've got me to do it for you. Have you done it? Have you got onto Discord? And then you can go and see, and you can look at all the details that he'll give you. Anyway, here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get ready to go. If you're not yet on Discord, I don't know if you are, here's the Discord link. I can upgrade your account as a YouTube member. You don't see Ed Nevius' channel, and you can't have all those benefits unless you are a YouTube member. I need to upgrade you on Discord manually. Ed Nevius, I'll go on Discord. I need a chart, read for a stock I'm interested in. There you go. I can post it on Discord. There you go. There you go. And don't forget, Ed Nevius has his own channel as well. His own server, rather. All right, here we go. Smash the like button. We need 30 likes in the next 20 seconds. Let's get ready to go. Smash the like. We got 23 likes and 30 watching. Smash the like. 15 seconds to go. Let's go on the lightning round. Let's see what we end up with today. Here we go. Just a few seconds to go. And it's 5. Hang on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the bell has gone. Okay, we are trading now. Let's see what happens. Here we go. 43,000. There we go. We're below 43,000. We got buy orders for Tesla. And there we go. It's running down. Another $300. Keep watching. And let's go through our stocks now. We might get a Tesla. Okay. Let's go one more time. Here we go. All right. The S&P 500 is down 0.29, but holding, down 0.27. This is the one we just did for Andrew Grady. We'll move on now. Virgin Galactic has gone down 2.64. I'm still up 4.63. Virgin Orbit is also down. I've got orders placed there. Tesla, 175. It hasn't moved. It's going up. Okay, it doesn't want to sell off. If it doesn't sell off in the next couple of minutes, it's probably heading up. It's 8:30 in the morning. We've got 1 minute in. The first 15, 20 minutes is the most volatile for the day traders and the scalpers. It is going sideways. It might be worth a buy very quickly. It's below my 180. It is heading up. Let's try and be greedy. Let's try and get it for 170. We don't really want to buy anymore, but it is going sideways. What is the volume so far on Tesla today? The average, excuse me, the average. That's not right. The average volume isn't. Oh yes, there we go. 98 million. Sorry, the average volume is 98 million. Today's volume is 1.5 million so far. Okay, starting off about average, I suppose, or maybe slightly below average. So no one's buying, no one's selling, just sat there. So we're at a breakout moment, possibly. Either way, no one knows. I could buy one. It is a discount. It is a good discount. 180 was my lowest. Yeah, right on the button. 180.30. It's a discount. I don't know. Let's have a look. We've got an order placed at 170. Should I hold or just get one more? It's going sideways. It's still a good buy at 176. Lucid at 10. Let's carry on going through. Rivian has gone down. I'm still up. Oh, back. Yeah, we are dropping back. There you go. Lucid. I've got some information now just broken. Lucid Rivian down is down 3.79. Lucid is down 5%. Down 25% now. I've got a buy on Lucid at $10. $10. Okay, I'm not going to buy anything, you know. We're selling now. I'm going to hold my ground. I'm not going to get FOMO'd in or any stress like that. Arrival. Amazon is popping up, 0.49. Money is going back into these value stocks. Look at this. Stocks that make money. Amazon is now going up. I'm still down 14% on it. Gold, Saka again. What's that? 4-0 now, is that? 4-0. Thank you very much, guys. Second half. England going to win the World Cup, right? It's coming home. All that. Okay, Apple is just dropped off some. Robinhood is down 2.61, 14% down now. McDonald's, the money is going to McDonald's, just pulling back. Coca-Cola is up 0.57. J&J is up. You see where the money's going? It's coming out of Tesla and going into the staples. Look, 174. Try and get it at 170. I'd be thrilled to bits. If I can set a new low at 170, I'd be absolutely ecstatic with that. And you will see my average drop. My average will drop if that goes through. Google is up 0.57. Brilliant. I'm virtually in the money now with Google. Just 1% down. Microsoft up 1%. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I'm up 4.7% now overall. Meta is rising. Just 3% down. Ginkgo approaching all-time low. Currently 204. Right, SoFi down again today, 1.1. Thank you. Shad just gave me some breaking news. And the breaking news is Ginkgo is approaching all-time low. Thank you for that. IonQ is down as well. I've got buy orders there. Let's have a look. Walmart is up 0.59, 0.63. 24% up now on Walmart. I only wish I'd bought more. Everyone says that, right? Target dropped, but it's coming back. I've got buy orders placed. It's at I've got orders placed, I think 140. I can't remember now, my all-time low, whatever that is. Tesco, I am nearly up in the money for the very first time. Right, my portfolio is taking a big dive. I'll come back to it in a second. Canoe is down 48% now. There we go. Gove purchased. I've just made a purchase, an all-time low. There you go. Canoe has just gone through. We have got an all-time low on Gove. Let me have a look. Canoe. All right, all-time low. It just went through at $1.20. $1.20. I set an insanely low buy order at $1.20. That is great. And if it bounces off $1.20, I'll be thrilled to bits because I just bought it at $1.20. Okay, it's going down again. So now I'm going to set a buy order, limit order, and we're going to go really silly now. A limit order of $1, 100 shares. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow. Limit price $1. There we go. And shares 100 review that. Okay. Buy. So buy. Limit order $1. Shares 100. Good till cancelled. So the answer is, has my portfolio bottomed? No, it hasn't. We've just got another buy in at $1.20. Okay. Buy. So I've set it at $1. Okay, my average is now 211. There we go. All-time low position. Thank you, Shad, for bringing that to my attention. I have an order at 110 on Gove. There we go. I've now got nice position there. I'm down 43%. It didn't make enough of a difference, but that's okay. That's how it goes. I've got another 100 to buy at $1. Let's see what happens. Let's carry on going. On. I'm currently out of the stock. Tilray Brands is down 1.81. Popping up again. Popping up. The overall portfolio is bouncing back now. Let me go to the overall portfolio and share with you where we are now. There we go. It's returning. All I got today was Harry McCain strikes again. Hey, Harry. Woohoo! So rubbish. What's so rubbish? What's so rubbish? Let's get back to the trades. So Ginkgo Bioworks. We're out of Ginkgo at the moment. Another biopharmaceutical. Enphase Energy. Bitcoin. Hello everyone, Stock Market Plan is here this morning. All right, we're now coming back. We've now got an all-time low. He allowed the goal. Oh, did he? Oh, I see. Harry Kane allowed the goal. Oh, I see. He did something wrong, did he? All right. 2.59. So that's looking good. Starting to come up a little bit. How close are we to get Tesla? 174. Oh, how low did it go? It went to 173. Right on my buy order. Very, very close. Very, very close. Shall I? If I buy a 175, I've then set a new time low for Tesla. Have you got any buys on Ginkgo? DNA? No, I haven't. Why do you buy so early in the morning? Why? I don't care about what the time is. If it goes to an all-time low, I buy it. Simple. If it's for a company I believe in, I set an all-time low, and that's it now. I won't buy it unless it goes to $1. Not a penny more. 119. I am really like with Tesla thinking 9 minutes in on a dip. It can, of course it can. It can go up as well. It can go up as well, Churchy. What do we think about this? Tesla now 174. It's $6 off my all-time low. It's a decent discount. It's not 170, but it's bloody close. And then if I buy one here at 174, if I buy it now for 174, I'll set a buy order for like 160. Good call not buying Grinder Martin. It's down 16% already today. Yes, it's just a protest vote. You can't, yeah, it's a protest vote. I wouldn't have bought that. You know, it's so little volume. It doesn't take much. You know, members of the LGBTQT, sorry, I always get that wrong. Members of that community around the world, if they all want to promote what's going on in the World Cup, 10,000, there's such low volume, 10,000 people all buy some shares just to promote the stock. It pops up. It's just protest vote. It's like DWAC. It's not, I don't invest in protest votes, investments. It doesn't make any sense to me. Meet in the middle, 172. Andrew, yeah. Why would it bounce on an open like this? Well, it is bouncing. Look at that. There you go. There goes one Tesla. Let's go back to Gove. There and there is Gove going up as well. Up 6% this morning. Congratulations, Church. 5-1. Fantastic. England are smashing it. You wait to England play America. We're going to smash America. Just to upset all the Americans, which is nearly everybody. Right, there we go. Canoe, I got it. Got it at 120. Rashford is in. You mean Rashford is on? I love translating. If they come on the field, on the pitch, it's called they're on. They're not in, they're on. They're in, they're on, they're on, they're in. All right. Tesla. At the end of the day, it's a good buy. It's a good buy. I'd like to buy one at 174. Okay. What was that? 177, now 174. American English, Martin. Yeah. American English. And he scored. Oh my God. And he scored. Martin, please. Martin, please. What's with all the capital letters? They are, look. Pushing up. 175. So for days now, it's been around this 180. 175, 180. It's not suddenly everyone says it's in. Oh, it's in. Oh, in means he scored. So what you should have said then, let me go back to it and let's have a little look. What did you say? Rashford, it's in. Not is in. You went Rashford is in. Look, evidence. I'll put it on the screen. Rashford is in. If you said Rashford, it's in, all right, I would have got it. Love it. Lord help me. Yeah, Lord help me as well. I'm trying to read out your nonsense. Martin, if England win the World Cup, will you do a celebration song? Rob, if England win the World Cup, I will sit here in my underpants. Oh, if England win the World Cup, there's no limits. Is out, is in, okay, whatever. Yeah, you can say whatever. Learn to speak flippin' English. 175. Look at Tesla. I like it. I don't want to buy any more. I want it to go up. I don't need any more. And sing all day long. Yeah, sing all day long. Drink all day long. Yeah, there's no rules. There's no rules. I'm not sure that's a prize. Shad's going, I don't really care about that. You got to do the John Barnes rap. Oh, yeah. We're the England man. We're around the back. We're doing the England man. Yeah, I know all about it. Yeah, says Hippocrates. Is that a Greek name? Iranian strike is genuinely so good. We don't care about that. We're not bothered about that. England is my second language. English? No, it's not. It's your first language. American person, you speak English. You might have told the English to get out because you didn't want their tea and pay the bills, pay the taxes, but you still speak English. There ain't nothing you can do about it. It's the rules. It's the law. It's written down in a book somewhere. Only Mbappe and Salah have scored more Championship League goals this season. There you go. Church of Logic, don't worry. English is my second language too. See? Queen of Logic, Queen of braiding, braiding of logic. See? Even she's telling you, look. Yes, it is Greek. I thought so. I thought it was Greek. Right. Okay. Tesla. Bouncing around. I need to clear the board a minute. Let's have a look at the overall portfolio and share where we are. Look, I've got 45 minutes before I got to go. It's water aerobics this morning. I posted it in Discord, Andrew. There you go. Andrew. Are you a member on Discord? Because Ed Nevius has posted it. If you can't see it, I need to upgrade your account on Discord. Let's get Andrew back in. Right. Let's have a little look. The overall portfolio is trying to pick up. The English spell it Hippocrates. I'll try get on now. Okay. It takes 10 minutes to get through if you've not already signed up for it for security purposes. And then I need to manually upgrade you during the show. Okay. I do it that way so we don't have bots and scammers. Right. We've got a new all-time low now. Virgin Orbit, I've got to buy it, 268. I told you about this, didn't I? Hippocrates, there you go. I did my Sophocles and all that stuff, my Greek mythology at school. Look at Tesla coming back up. Will it go back up? Rivian, Lucid, didn't get a buy. All we managed to buy, let's go back to Canoe, 120. I bought at 120, and that's where I got in today. And I've got a buy now at $1. All right, nothing else has bought. So the answer is, has my portfolio bottomed? Well, maybe it has today, but we don't know that now. We need to give it another week and see if we can not buy anything for another week. Too many words sound the same. English is very confusing, mate. No one understands it. English doesn't even make sense, mate. We got rules that don't make sense. Don't question it. Just accept it. I'm not asking you to understand it. I'm asking you to accept it. Right, 175. Has anybody bought a Tesla today? Did anyone buy it when it went down to 173? Anybody? I'd be interested to know. Right, let's have a little look. 26 watching, 25 likes. Brilliant. I love it. Okay. Now, if you've just tuned in today, we give you access to Discord, 24 hours a day, updated charts. You can call into the show, be on the show, all the rest of it. For those of you who are not on Twitch, please subscribe to Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime. You'll be in our free cash prize draw once a month. It's free using Amazon Prime. There is the Twitch. And if you want the all links button and you want to follow all my social media and sign up for the newsletter and all that wonderful stuff and Instagram and everything else, there is my all links button. All right then. It brings you to this page here. Scroll below and I've got lots of stocks that we're giving away. Oh, right now, if there's anybody in the US that hasn't got Robinhood yet, ask me and I'll give you my referral. They're giving me $35 if you sign up, so I'm going to give you half of it. I think it's only fair. Whatever I get, I just split with you. So if anybody's in America who doesn't yet have Robinhood, let me know. I will give you my referral, and we get 17 bucks each for doing nothing. Sounds good to me. We've only got one viewer on Twitch, and of course it's good old Mike. You can always rely on Mike. No, got server permissions. No, got server permissions. Not got server permissions. Yeah, Andrew Grady, it takes 10 minutes to get through Discord. You got to go. You have to like verify your email. It's so we don't get bots and scammers, and we still do get a few, unfortunately. But then, there you go. We set high security. It takes 10 minutes to get through. When I'm not coherent, I'll just say I'm rebelling against the English language. When I'm not coherent, I'll just say rebel as much as you want. ETORO, carry on. Not got server permissions. No, it takes a while. It takes 10 minutes to get through security, right? And once you're through, we'll upgrade you. Okay? I will close my account and start all over. Yeah, do it. Coherent is a good stock, by the way. Is that a company, is it? Right, the overall portfolio is coming back up again. And that is thanks to Tesla rebounding 175. There you go. Are people going to scalp it and sell it and go back down again? I don't know. It is a discount for me, but I'd like to get it at 170 or below. I'll look it up. Go ahead. Go, says Rob Brennan. Let's go back to Gove and see what's happening there. 121. I've made a profit on it. We're down 42% though overall on Canoe. I've got another buy at $1. I now see that England is hated just as much as the United States around the world. Why? Because we just beat Iran. Hey, go all in on Tesla at 10 times margin at 175. Go 10 times. No, that's not really my idea. 176. 176 going up. My portfolio is recovering. Looking nice. Ethereum is up. Bitcoin is up. BSV is just down slightly. Enphase Energy was up. Ginkgo Bioworks is coming up. I'm out of the stock at the moment. Tilray Brands is up. It's green. Or it just about was green then for a moment. Oh, it's green. Tilray Brands, another green day. I'm up 12%. Let's go to On. I'm out of it, but I've got Photolab, what's it called? Photronics, I think, yeah, Photronics. Canoe, Gove, I bought at 120, it's 121. Still down 42% though. My average cost 211. All I did was lower my average. There we go. I've got, let me go down to the earnings. They beat on earnings as well. They beat on earnings. They're improving. They're still losing money, but they're improving. They've got the deal with Walmart. That hasn't gone away. Walmart are doing well, so that's all looking good. I've got another buy order at 110. Tesco, I'm virtually in the money. 24 bucks out of the money. Will we finally make some money on Tesco? Target down there 2.3. I've got orders placed on all of this stuff. Walmart's up today, very very nice. IonQ, that went down. That's recovering as well. SoFi, that's green. Yeah, SoFi is doing well. I'm down 12%, but that's okay. Meta took a bit of a drop, down 3.9. Microsoft, very nice. Very good today on Microsoft, good. Google, also very good. On the recovery, all these stocks will rally quickly. J&J, there you go. Now money's been sold in these safe havens, going back into the growth stocks. Coca-Cola is still held up. McDonald's just dropping back a bit, you see. People selling them down again. Robinhood, down today, 2.6. I've got order placed there. Apple's recovering. Amazon is down 0.41. Arrival. We've got just 7 minutes for the hour. And then we're coming down to the last half an hour before I've got to go. We're back up to 43,000 now. Rivian, Tesla, 175. Look at it, look. It's hitting that point again. So what is happening is it's being bought and sold around that region now. You can see people are there we go, selling it again. It will drive it down to that 173, pop back up again. Virgin Orbit It's gone right back up again. Virgin Galactic is recovered as well. The S&P 500, I'm at 1.54. That's doing all right. Down very slightly, but moving up. As soon as we get a little bounce on Tesla, we're going to be all right. If it can break that, if it can break this 176 and start pushing back up to what and go through 180, it might draw confidence again. But right now, we're still very, very vulnerable to it going down lower. Everybody on TikTok, are you well? Good morning. BYND. I can review a stock if you're on YouTube and you're a member. I can go into it, make a video for you. I sold Tesla at 180 before the stock split. You sold Tesla at 180 before the stock split. Before the stock split, why would before the stock split it was like 600-700. So I don't understand why you sold it at 180. That doesn't. Do you mean after the split? You wouldn't have sold it before the split, would you? Because it would have been $600 a share. So, unless you sold it a long time ago, maybe you sold it a long time ago. I don't know. Anyway, coming to YouTube. Links in the profile. youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. All right, same name as this channel. Be very, very careful of all the scammers. Oh, by the way, we got a few more scammers on Discord again now, coming in and saying, you know, I'm Martyn Lucas. Just they're not. You can see they're not me because one, I never message you. Two, I never sell you anything other than my merchandise, of course. But you buy that yourself. And they spell their name correctly, and they don't have the role of owner, of course, as I have. So be very, very careful of that. Right, over on Discord. We're looking for Andrew. Andrew. Let me. Oh, I'm going to use this little thing. I'm going to use a little thing that Shad told me about. Participants. Oh, no one. Why is it coming up with no one now? Participants. Showing no one in the participants thing. That's weird. So Andrew, are you over on Discord yet? I don't see you. And when you do, come into the Welcome All channel and say hello, and I can upgrade you from there. And then you can talk to Ed Nevius. I don't see you in there. Okay. I'm in Discord. Okay, good. You're waiting. You're waiting for the. You're waiting for the. What do you call it? Maybe it's not. Maybe stick to the @ Yeah, it doesn't look it's reliable. Pokemon Powers. Hi, I'm in. Right, Andrew Grady. Is that you? Are you Pokemon Powers on Discord? Look, someone has just come in. Pokemon Powers. I need you on YouTube to confirm, is that you? Okay. That is you. That is you. Okay. Now what we need to do, only on my server, you're whatever you want to be, obviously. But on this server, I change your nicknames to the same name. It's so everybody knows who you are. It builds trust. I've explained that before to everybody. Andrew Grady. So everyone knows, so we don't have scammers and bots and stuff like that. So Andrew Grady, I have given you a nickname. Only on this server, you are your own name, whatever you want, wherever you go. But on this server, you are Andrew Grady, right? Okay, because that's the same name. And you are a YouTube member, so I'm going to upgrade you as well to give you membership status, roles, and member. There you go. You are now a YouTube member. So you can now see all of these channels. These are all the extra channels, right? So you've got like Ed Nevius has just put that in there. If you scroll to the bottom, in broadcast, you can call in live to the show. If I open this up, I can you can call in live to the show. But Ed Nevius, look, you can now see all the exclusive channels. You can call in. You got all the perks and benefits. And there you go. He's done a chart for you, especially for you. How cool is that? He's done that for you. So there you go. You can now see that. All right, there you go. You're all upgraded and you're all taken care of, and that is brilliant. So in the welcome all, where did you go? You went to welcome all. There you go. It'd be very, very nice if all of you could welcome Andrew Grady in. Shad's always really good at this, and Mike. Give him a thumbs up. Get to know everybody, and I'll give you the official, the day trader badge there. There you go. All right. Oops, I wasn't showing you what I was doing. Martyn, look at SHC, please. Boom. All right, there you go. Go and give him a nice warm welcome. I need a new profile, he said. Let me go down. That's me. Reading it now. Thanks so much, guys. Right, Martyn, look at SHC. Tesla, 173. It's going down again. So, SHC. SHC. Just bear with me. I apologise for all the flashing lights today. 6-1. England is slaughtering it. Remember, though, it is England. It's Iran. They're not a great team. All right? So, it's great to win and everything else, but... is this the one? Tesla will go to 150. Well, I'll buy one at 150 then. Or buy two at 150, probably. So, Terra Health. Is this the one you're looking at? Up 47% today. There we go. Sterilization, lab testing, and advisory services to the medical device and pharmaceutical industries. Also provides end-to-end sterilization as well as microbiological and analytical lab testing and advisory services to help ensure that medical, pharmaceutical, and food products are safe to healthcare practitioners, patients, and consumers. There we go. This has just come in. Who was it who asked me to review this? Ed Nevius. Yeah, that is pretty good today, isn't it? Let's have a little look. Let's get some perspective, though. Where are we overall? Oh, I see. We IPO'd back in 2020. It's 2 years old. Massive drop. Massive drop. And then we've been going sideways for a few weeks. And then boom. Let's have a little look. There we go. We've been down at 628, 596, and then wallop straight up. So again, that's one of those stocks that you already need to be in. You can't chase that now. You can't chase that now. Unless you feel it belongs up here. What do you think? Just scalps, church only. Yep, just scalps. Makes sense. There we go. Thank you for that, Ed. Okay. 2.73. It's gone back down again. Back down again. What is where did my Gove end up? 121. Staying above. Okay. It was a good buy at 120. Let's hold it there. Let's just hold it. Tesla, 173. We've got Queen now saying it's going to 150. At what point is everyone going to pile into this company now? It's getting cheaper and cheaper by the day. Tesla makes money. It keeps making money. So anyway, Martyn, did you make a deal with the DJ? Oh, yes. Yes, I did. They're actually booking me to do tours across Texas. It's a massive chain of venues. He does the Dallas Cowboy stadiums. He does Pitbull support. He does big like arenas, concert halls, and they want to feature me, have me coming on and singing and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a really, really good deal. If you go onto my website, you can see on my dates. You can get my Martyn Lucas Music newsletter. It's just below the investor newsletter. If you ever want to see me in person, you can. Yeah, it's really, really good. Really, really exciting. Why 10-minute stoppage time? Why 10-minute stoppage time? I guess there was a lot of injuries throughout the time. That's why. Tesla is far too expensive compared to other car manufacturers. Yeah, but other car manufacturers can only dream of the margins and the profits that Tesla makes. So I know what you're saying. It is expensive. Thank you, Mike. Yeah, very good. Someone asked me the other day, I thought you wasn't touring again because of my back. It's correct. I used to carry equipment around. I'm not doing that anymore. These venues are providing everything. I just walk in and sing. When I go to the piano, I sit at all I go in with is a microphone, which is my microphone, which I like, and my iPad. That's it. I even take my little comfy cushion. But that's all I take. So, they can put me in a football stadium for a halftime show. That's the sort of thing we're looking at doing. And I'll just sing. I don't need to have equipment. I mean, these are stadiums. I just turn up. Anyway, Tesla is at 173, is a steal. There we go, 173. There you go. It is, I agree. But I've got so much of it. Iran can't come back. Why does it matter? You got to play the time, church. Can't just go, we're so far ahead. We'll just end the game and we can save 10 minutes and we can all get home for our cup of tea. You know what I mean? Anyway, whatever. Okay, I am like really thinking buy one at 173. I like it, and then set a buy order for 160. It's very low. It's expensive, I get it, but this stock, I don't know. I believe in Tesla. I do. I don't believe in Elon Musk, sadly, and that's part of the problem. But I do believe in I do believe in Tesla. Is it gonna? Shall I hold? Shall I hold for the magic 170? What do you reckon? What's the volume today? Yes, hold. Yeah. The volume is low. Volume is low. Let me refresh that screen to make sure I'm not missing anything. Just to make sure. The overall portfolio is down. Hippocrates says no, just buy it. I don't own a Tesla, but whenever I see one on the road, I get some excitement. Yeah, it's got that feel to it, no question about it. There's so much more to the company, though. That's the thing. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, 173. I mean, on the road. Yeah, I mean, on the road. Those cars are rubbish. The build quality isn't as good as you might think, but I've seen several in person, and they're not as bad as you think. There are some bad ones. I've seen it, but I've also seen lots that have no problem at all, and they're getting better all the time. Everyone who drives it like they have no brains. Everyone who drives it drives like they have no brains. 173. Oof, $3. $3. I mean, at the end of the day, 173 when the stock could be 400, which is basically where it can go to. Does it matter if it's 173 or 170? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. But to manage your portfolio in the best, most responsible way, you have to ask for the best price. And I bought one at 180, and I'm now asking for 170. I've got plenty at 180, right? I bought 4. So if I'm going to buy it, then let's get it to 170. Stick to it, stick to it. Because if I buy one at 173, I'm then going to set it for 160, right? Tesla is always cutting me off. Right, it's bouncing again, look. $290. We are down today. So the answer was, has my portfolio bottomed? No, because I managed to buy some Canoe today. Always trying to beat around me because they think they're cool because they drive a Tesla. Well, it is kind of cool though, church. Anyway, it's not. To me, it's more than just the cars though. I don't just invest in the cars. I think there's more to it than that. Anyway, Canoe's proving to be okay so far. Want to go to 110 to buy another 100. But anyway, Lucid is better than Tesla. I think, yeah, I actually agree. Lucid car itself is probably better than the Tesla. I would agree with that. I think the build quality of the technology is even better. I agree with that. However, the hard part is building factories that can ramp up and mass produce cars. You know, Troy Oliveira has just subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much indeed. I've got a buy, by the way, at $10 for Lucid if it ever gets there. 173. Oh, we're so close, aren't I? But we want to keep emotion out of it. It's not about emotion. It's not about that. Church of Logic's on fire. The car's fantastic. Right, we've got 15 minutes to go. Let's do day trader of the day right now. So let's do a quick commercial break. I've got to be gone in 15 minutes. Iran Penno, Andrew Grady. Iran got a penalty. You see how I have to flip in all the time? I have to translate you guys. Penno. I'm assuming that means a penalty. I don't know. It could mean a guy called Penno. I don't know, do I? Right, okay. We're on a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. And let's... assuming that means a penalty. Whoops. I don't know. Let me mute that. Bring that up to date. All right. Let's run a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Okay, F-150 Lightning and Lucid will be my cars when I'm an old fart. Why, you're going to have both, are you? Bloody hell, how much money have you got? You're going to buy an F-150 Lightning and a Lucid. How much money you got? I'd probably... Leah wants a little Mini Cooper, an electric Mini Cooper. That's what she wants. That's what Leah wants, electric Mini Cooper. 174.25, Tesla, look, hovering around. Right, it's time for day trader of the day. Let's see who's won or lost the most money. I got good credit. I bet you have, Churchy. Right, 6-2. Bloody hell. Right, here we go. So, I'm down 2.79%. Down 2.79%. Let's give you a minute on the clock and let's get everybody posting. House equity, you name it. You name it. I'm on it, he says. You name it, I'm on it. Right, here we go. Let's see how everyone's doing today. Hang on a minute, you're all going too fast. I can't get my name up. There we go. Right, okay, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. I'm down 2.79, down 3.66. Ryan Carlson, he sits in the background, doesn't he, this guy? He lurks. We call it lurking. They lurk in the background. You never know they're there until they come in at the end and steal the prizes. Happens all the time. Ryan Carlson, how are you, mate? Lovely to see you today. Shad is down 1.28. How are you, Shad? Down 1.28. Shad is the winner so far. I'm also going to work till I die, so I should be good. Up 5.46, which is better than Sid, down 0.5%. Also better than Queen Brading, down 1%, down 1.2. Andrew Grady. It definitely looks like Churchy has won today. Churchy's winning. Looks good for Churchy, doesn't it? Looks good for Churchy. 5.46. Let's call that one a win. There you go. I think Churchy's won it today. Very, very good indeed. Churchy is up 5.46. So thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and let's give him the sound effects. Here we go. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well done, Church. Queen winning too because it's her money as well. yeah. As they're getting married, it's her money as well, isn't it? Nice, Church. Right, okay. Let's go back to what's going up and what's going down, right? Virgin Orbit, I've got a buy in at 268. Tesla, 173. 173, hold. What do you think? 173. We've got 15 minutes of the morning to go before I gotta go. We're back with the closing bell. Let's see how many people are in. 27 watching, 28 likes, 100%. Right, remember, all-time low. I do, yeah, Lucid. I've got buys for Lucid. Let me go over to it a minute. Lucid, I've got an okay position for Lucid. It's down 25%. I've got a buy order at $10, which will be my lowest. How much lower is that? When did I buy? I bought at 11. I bought 20 shares at 11. I went 14. I went $15. Look. I went $15, $12, $11. See? 20 shares at 11. We are now just below 11. So we're only just below my buy. So I got how many to buy? How many to buy? 20 at 10. Yeah. I got you. Debit card. Lucy with a buy. Church. I need a debit card. So as Tesla at 52-week low, so must be worth a punt. Well, I've been buying it. I've been buying it at 180. Yeah, it is. I've been buying it at 180, and we got an order placed at 170. Um, 174. Anything happening on Discord? No, just checking we're okay on Discord. Right, let's see. Let's see if we got any subscribers today. I know we got one. Let's have a quick look. Here it comes. 5513. We picked up 2 more. There we go. And we've had how many people through the stream? 127. We averaged at 200. So we've got 15 minutes to go. We might make 200. We're 127 right now. We get about 200 through a stream now. So there we go. We'll give it a few more minutes and see how we end up. But Tesla, 173. $173, $174. Canoe, got it 120. Got another order at 120. Sorry, 110. Was it 110 or $1? No, it's $1, wasn't it? It was $1. Yeah, it's $1. Okay, there we go. Tesco, I'm $21 out of the money. Very close now. Target, returning. I've got orders for all of these. Don't want to repeat myself to you over and over again, but I have. IonQ, just scooped up some more. 5.95 down. Overall, just 0.5% today. SoFi, that popped up earlier. It's gone back down again though. But Meta, 110, down 4%. It's trying to push up. Microsoft, I'm in the money by 3.7%. Google, I'm out of the money by 1.5%. We're getting better. J&J pushing up today, 4.25 now. Nice position, 3.5 grand. I'm happy with that. Coca-Cola doing nice, up 4% now. That's my best position ever. Up 4%. McDonald's might have to buy Lucid, but it could go down lower. Yeah, it could. It could, yeah. But it could also go up as well. Just saying. Robinhood, $8.98. I've got an order. I've got an order for $8. That'll be my all-time low. Apple, Amazon, Arrival, Lucid. I've got an order at $10. It's getting close. 54. It's going down. All-time low for Lucid. But you got to remember that my last buy was 11. Maybe I'm asking too much to get 10. Maybe I'm asking too much, but all-time low, Lucid. What would it be if I mean, I've got it at 10. That's quite a drop actually. What if I bought 20 shares at 10.55? Review order. $20. $10.52. My last buy was 12, so I just got at 10.57. Yeah, 10.51. 20, 210. There you go. I bought 20 at 10.51. I just bought 20 at 10.51. And of course, the moment I did that, it goes down. But that's okay. There we go. Done. There you go. So I've left it now, Lucid. So I've just bought from 2011, 20 at 10.51, and I've got an order to buy 20 at 10. So I made it somewhere in the middle. Okay. Let's see if it goes down to 10. But anyway, there you go. It could go below 10. I think parts are on back order. Yes. It's got a lot of problems right now. But my last buy on Lucid was 12. So I just got 10.57. We're alive and kicking. CEO of banking app Dave wants to dispel doubts after his year's 97 stock plunge. Thank you, church. Right, we'll leave that now. Not going to touch that now until it goes to 10. Anyway, we've got a big drop now. We need down 4%. Let's go. I think Tesla's diving. Yeah, 173. Most people are saying we've got one more leg down and then it's up from here. So this is why we're staying in the game. This is why we're staying in the game. You have one viewer, just turn off. You have one viewer, just turn off. What does that mean? What does that mean? He's on Twitch. You have one viewer, just turn off. What happened to long-term investing? That's exactly what I do. I do long-term investing. That is what I do. That is exactly what I do. I am a long-term investor. He's over on Twitch and assumes you have just one viewer. Oh, I see. Yeah, we're actually on 20 different platforms at once. We're on several websites, several Facebook pages and groups. We're on my profile on Facebook. We're on Twitch. We're on LinkedIn. We're on Twitter. We're on TikTok. We're on YouTube. We're all over the place. Anyway, I will get Tesla at 150. You hope thoughts on MU? MU what? If you want to come into, if you're over on Gutman X, if you're over on Twitch, what I do is I give away the money I get from my subscribers. If you subscribe to me, I've only got 10 subscribers, so you've got a 1 in 10 chance. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it's free. Every first Friday of the month, I give away a cash prize for the money I get on my subscribers. And I also give a cash prize every Friday on YouTube. So we're actually on YouTube right now. If you want to come and join us, I'll give you the link to the show where we are right now in the chat. Should you wish to experience it, it's a far higher quality on YouTube. Let me give you the link to YouTube. There it is. You got it? There it is. Okay. Do you use DCF for value investing? I've got my very own unique approach to investing. I study the CEO. I study what the company does. I make sure it's innovative. I make sure it's proprietary, unique, and special. I used to invest in Elon. Now I don't because of his lying and manipulation. So now I only invest in Tesla. But I've got an exact goal. I grew my portfolio live on this show from $5,000. That's at 42 now, up to where it is now, 42. I'm planned to be at $100,000 by the end of the year. That's always been my target. I still think it's doable. And 200,000 by the end of next year. I do believe I have some risky stocks, which regarded as risky stocks. I have SPCE, Virgin Galactic. That's one of my biggest positions. I've got 2,100 shares of that. But I also do invest heavily on the S&P 500. I like innovative stocks, EV, solar, wind, technology, space, all that kind of stuff. How many stocks do you have? Of what? Of what in total? This is my entire portfolio. So anyway, we've got just a couple of minutes to go, guys, before I'm out of here. Got to go and do my daily water aerobics. I am back, of course, for the closing bell this afternoon. Stocks, how many stocks do I have? I have about 45. I'll share with you my entire portfolio. Look, if I zoom out here and zoom in here, look, I'll share with you my entire portfolio. All of this is posted on my Discord channel, which you can have access to if you're a member. There you go. This is my entire portfolio. Scrolling down. But Buffett says 10 to 12. Yeah. I'm not Warren Buffett, though. I do what's right for me. I don't just follow Warren Buffett, even though I do listen to him and I do study him and I do have some of his stocks and shares. I don't just do what Warren Buffett does, because if I'm going to do that, I might as well just invest in Berkshire Hathaway and do absolutely nothing and let Warren Buffett run my account. Well, there'd be no point. If I'm going to buy exactly what Warren Buffett buys, I might as well just give him money through Berkshire Hathaway and leave it like that, right? That's not what I do. But anyway, let me bring that back in focus. There we go. So we've got 2 minutes to go. We're just about to get out of here. We've done Day Trader of the Day. Churchy won today. The S&P is down 0.53. My overall portfolio is down. But let's get one thing in context. We're actually still up comfortably over the month by 9%. So, have we hit bottom on my portfolio? Well, we've hit bottom and continue to go lower if I can keep finding lower prices. I've not been able to buy any lower prices in all my top stocks like Tesla. It hasn't hit 170. I've not been able to buy it, S&P 500 for months now. For a couple of months, sorry. I did buy some Lucid today. And I also, I've got an order to buy at 10. Just got 200 Lucid at 10.39. Fingers crossed. Fantastic. Hi there. Which platform are you using? I am using Robinhood. I love Robinhood. It's the best way to buy crypto. It's the cheapest way. I put it on my ledger. I move it to my ledger. It's all sat off the exchange. And if anyone in America hasn't got Robinhood yet, they are giving me today $35 if anyone signs up for free. And what I'm doing is splitting it with you. So not only will you get some free shares from Robinhood, you'll get $17.50 from me by setting it up, because they give me $35 if someone sets an account up. After my referral, I will give it to you, and everybody wins, right? So anyway, I just thought I'd tell you that. If you want any of my referral, where can I buy? Where can you buy what? Mohammed says, where can I buy? What do you want to buy? Not sure I know what you mean. I like your thumbnail, by the way. The eyes, quite cool. Anyway. What do you mean, where can you buy? If you want my referral link, and you want to get all the free stocks and so on, and I will share with you what I get, and as I say, I will give you half back what Robinhood are giving me. Here is the all links button. Here is the all links button in the chat now, and if you go there, you will see this page here. I've got to go. I just realized the time. I've got to go. If you go to this page here, the all links, you can sign up for my weekly newsletter where I give cash prizes away every week. There's my music newsletter if you want to actually come to my music shows. And these are all the social medias, and I follow all my members, only my members. And if you want any of the free stocks, there they are. Robinhood, free stocks, and they're giving me $35, which I split with you via Apple Pay, Cash App, PayPal, or whatever you like. There you go. All right. Okay. I've got to get out of here. I will be back this afternoon for the closing bell. We're down 3.6. Tesla, it's 172.99. Waiting to buy at 170. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. That's it. I got to go. Thanks for today. Have a good swim. Thanks, you mate. All right. Someone say roll the credits. We got to get out of here and roll the credits. I will see you all back this afternoon. All right. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. See you all back later on this afternoon for the closing bell. Let's see how we end up today. Here we go. Keeping an eye on the portfolio, 172. Nothing to report today. No public subscribers. If they're not a public subscribers, they don't show up. That's why they're not showing up. We didn't get any super chats, and we didn't get any new members on Twitch either. So there you go. The credits are pretty rubbish. Not much to say. Not much to say, but that's perfectly all right. We're always positive. We're always optimistic. We're always pushing forward. Okay, I gotta go. Everyone's gotta go. We're out of here. And we got 140 in the stream in the end. Not quite a record today. It's around about 200 is our average. So a little bit quiet today, but there you go. And our overall portfolio, as we can see now, is 3.6. We're trying to push up. The S&P 500 is holding. Virgin Galactic is down 2.83. Virgin Orbit is just bouncing around like it always does. Tesla is now 173. We're not there yet. We're just $3 away from buying another one. Let's see if we can get it. Rivian. Lucid down 10.35. Just bought some more at 10.50, wasn't it? I've got an order to buy at 10. The EV space is being sold off because of Tesla. That's what's driving this down. People are selling everything off at the minute, and you can see because they're moving it into safe stocks like McDonald's. There it is. Coca-Cola. There it is. J&J. You can see exactly what people are doing. They're selling off one stock to put in somewhere else. And that's fine because I own these stocks and these stocks are going up in value. So that's cool. I've got the benefits of it being sold off, and I'm also buying the other stocks that are going down. And we are very close now to Tesla being a buy. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed for being here. I will see you all back for the closing bell. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe, take care of yourselves, and as always, take care of yourselves and each other.